silent Black Sea. I am lost in the waves.
Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, that you'll reach up and you rise again. If you only look around, you will be found. You will be found.
Okay, as we get into practice 3 of checkpoint 2, so this is expressions and equations, checkpoint 2. We're going to go down to practice 3, and I want to show you how to work through this. Before you do anything else, you want to copy and paste at least one of these down here so you don't have to make your own. Then we're going to open this up. Now I'm going to copy and paste this. So I'm going to select it and hit Control C, and then I click on my drawing and hit Edit and open it up. Okay? I'm going to paste that text in so I don't forget what the problem was. All right. These are the sum of the two individual products. We're going to separate them a little more so I can see that one is in this first box and one is in this second box. Okay? Then I'm going to think about what factors do 35 and 84 have in common, okay? And I'm going to actually write out my factors. I want you to think of like your rainbow factors, your rainbow factor lists. So 1 times 35, that's not it. 2 doesn't work because it ends in a 5. 3 goes into 36, so no. No 4, no 5. Oh, 5 times 7. Okay, so those are the factors of 35. Now 84 is going to be a little longer. It's a larger number. 84 is going to be 1 times 84. And since it ends in a 4, I know that I can divide it by 2 because anything ending in an even number can be divided by 2. So 2 times, and in my head I'm doing 84 divided by 2 is 42. Okay, so I'm going to put 42, bring my 84 back over. 3. I don't know if 3 goes in. Let's try it. You don't always have to know everything. 84 divided by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2. Bring down the 4. Oh, good. I'm glad I tried it. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 3 is a factor. So I'm going to put in the 3 and the 28. And then let's try 4. I can see 4 goes in super easy because 8 divided by 4 is 2 and 4 divided by 4 is 1. So that's 21. 5 doesn't go into it because everything with a 5 ends in 5 or 0, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. 6, let's try 6. Oh, I know 6 is going to work because 3 and 2 are both there. So we're going to do 84. Oops. 84 divided by 6. 1 times 6 is 6. We get 2. Bring down the 4. 24 divided by 4. Thank you. So click back. So we have 14 here. Okay. Now 5 we said no to. 6, yes. 7. Let's try 7. So sometimes it's a process finding what the common factor is.
Yes, 7 is.
Okay, do you know what it is? 7
12.
times what? 7 times 12. Oh, I knew that. That's one of the ones we learned when we were younger. And then 8 times 10 is 80, so that won't work. 9 times 9 is 81, so that
Doesn't
won't
work.
work. No 10 and no 11. So that's our final answer. Okay. After all that work, we're going to look for what numbers they both have. Well, they both have 1.
Me, 12 is work.
Huh?
12 work. The number 12.
Yes, the number 12 works, but we don't have the number 12 up here in 35. The next one I see is 7 that they both have. Okay, so the greatest common factor is 7. So if we put the 7 here on the left as our length, then we know we're going to divide 35 by 7. And 35, so I'm going to put a lot of work in here that I don't always put. So 35b divided by, hold on, I'm waiting for my symbols to come up. Divided by 7 equals 5b. And I'm going to make this a different color so we can see it. Okay, so this is 5b. And then we're going to do 84 divided by this 7. So we're going to do
12.
84 divided by 7 equals 12. Okay, so all of those steps, let me go over what we did first. We started by taking the sum of the products, 35b plus 84, and put it inside our rectangles. Second, we wrote down all of the factors of both the constant 84 and the coefficient, the number in front of the b, 35. Then we took the biggest common factor or greatest common factor and we put it here as our length. Then I divided each product by the 7 to find the other factor. So now I can save and close this and put my final answer in. Okay, so my final answer is going to be that I'm multiplying 7 times 5b plus 12. Okay, so that's how we do this problem.